Hello, today we will guide you through how to build a knowledge base in Confluence. We'll begin from the Confluence overview page. If you're already signed in and on your main dashboard, you're in the right place. A knowledge base in Confluence is a helpful way to organize information, answers, and documentation in one searchable location. So this setup is a great starting point for teams that want to share knowledge more efficiently. From the overview page, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Spaces. This is where Confluence keeps the different work areas used to organize content. Each space can be dedicated to a team, project, or purpose, and in this case, we'll be creating one specifically for a knowledge base. Once you're in the Spaces area, click Create a Space. This opens the setup flow where you can choose the type of space you want to build. Confluence offers several options, and selecting the right one at this stage helps give you a structure that matches your intended use. When prompted, enter a sample space name. This name will be the title people see when they access the knowledge base, so it should clearly reflect the content or audience it's meant for. Even if you're just testing, using a simple and descriptive name can make things easier to recognize later. Next, choose Knowledge Base as the space type. This is the key step that tells Confluence to prepare a layout designed for help articles, documentation, and frequently used information. It's especially useful because it provides a framework that supports content organization from the start. After selecting that option, click. Next to continue. You'll then see a screen showing what your knowledge base comes with. Select the sample option shown there. This usually provides a preview or default setup so you can start with a built-in structure rather than beginning from a blank space. On the Features section, turn on the sample feature as shown. This can be useful for getting familiar with how the knowledge base is organized and what kinds of pages or tools are included by default. If you're learning the process for the first time, having sample content or sample features enabled can make navigation much more intuitive. Once everything is set, click Create Space. Confluence will then generate your new knowledge base space and prepare it for use. After it opens, you can begin reviewing the structure and planning how you want to organize your final content. That's it. You've now created a knowledge base in Confluence and laid the foundation for a more organized, accessible information hub.